Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new to my channel, hi, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to share with you all 5 makeup products under rupees 150. I know in this tough time nobody is looking forward to buy makeup, but in the future if you want to buy good quality affordable makeup, I hope this video helps you out. And before getting into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell button near the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my videos. You can also follow me on Instagram. Now without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Let's start with the cheapest product that we have. It's the Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil in the shade dark grey, and it is only for rupees 65. This pencil is so nice for the price and the quality. It looks really natural and it also lasts on your eyebrows for a very good amount of time. It glides on beautifully, it is properly pigmented, and you get this small comb over here which is really nice to distribute the product onto your eyebrows properly. And the only thing that I don't like about this pencil is that you need to sharpen it, but for the price you really can't complain. The next makeup product that I have is the Elle Colourpop's matte lipstick in the shade Mauve Date. This is how the lipstick looks like. This is such a pretty shade and the formula is very comfortable. It's a satin formula, so it's neither matte nor very glossy. Even if you have super dry lips, this is not something which will make your lips drier because the formula is very comfortable and it feels like you are wearing a lip balm. If you're a college going student, this is a very nice lipstick to have, and it's also affordable, only for rupees 75. It is beautifully pigmented, it glides on very smoothly, and it is not the most long lasting lipstick simply because it's a satin formula and it keeps transferring a lot, but you can easily reapply, and it's a really nice lipstick. If you're a beginner, I think you should definitely have this in your makeup kit. The third makeup product that I have is the Lakme Insta liner. It's in the shade black. This is how the eyeliner looks like. It's a very beautiful smooth matte black eyeliner. It glides on very nicely and it takes a little bit of time to dry down properly, but once it is dried down, it just becomes very matte, and it is neither smudge proof nor waterproof. But if you don't keep touching your eyes a lot, or if water doesn't come in contact with your eyes, this is going to last for a pretty good amount of time, and it's really easy to use and very beginner friendly. My second last makeup product is the Wet n Wild Color Icon lip liner in the shade Chestnut. This is how the lip liner looks like. It's very long, so this is going to last for a very good amount of time. It glides on very smoothly, it is very pigmented, and it also stays very long. It goes with almost all my nude lipsticks, so if you're around my skin tone, I think this is something you should definitely have in your makeup kit. So last but not the least is the magnetized Kajal from Faces. This is how it looks like. You do not need to sharpen this. It glides on very smoothly and stays on your waterline for almost 5 to 6 hours. If you have watery eyes, then it will not last that long. To get on the full pigmentation, you need to go on your waterline 2 to 3 times, but it's a really nice affordable kajal, and the actual price of this one is for rupees 180, but I'm pretty sure in the sale time we'll get it for under rupees 150. So that's it for today's video. I'm going to link all of these products in the description box, so don't forget to check them out. And yeah, if you enjoyed watching this video, then do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell button near the subscribe button so that you get notified every single time I post a new video. Comment down below what other videos do you guys want me to make, and I'm going to see you all with my next video very soon. Till then, take care, bye!